This is my current PayPal balance after working for 1 week using these methods. Now, if you want to fill up your PayPal account just like I did, then all you need is a computer or a phone and an internet connection. That's it. No experience or educational attainment required. And you can do this all from the comfort of your home. Make sure to pay attention to every second of this video because I will give you some secret tips and tricks on how to boost your earnings online. 3 major steps in earning $100 per hour playing games. That's right, only 3 steps. So for the first step, I would introduce you guys to this amazing website that will literally pay you to download and play video games. For the second step, I'm going to show you guys the other potential income streams from the same website. So it doesn't have to be just playing video games because that can get very boring. But it is also very beneficial because you can earn more money more efficiently. It is even said that every millionaire has at least 7 different income streams, and this amazing website already has so many options for income streams. For the third and final step, I'm going to show you guys the $1,000 per day system. That's right, $1,000 per day. So make sure that you guys watch each and every second of this video and follow my steps carefully so that you can maximize your profits and fill up your PayPal account in no time. This site actually does pay out in real money. So there are 2 major ways that this site will pay money. They pay out in cash rewards via PayPal. So if you don't have a verified PayPal account set up yet, you might want to head over to their site and set up your account, which is fairly easy. The only requirement is a valid ID. Now, if you don't want to use PayPal for some weird reason, this site can also pay you in Visa gift cards. Now, the options for you to pay out through PayPal are right here. They have $5 gift cards, $10 gift cards, all the way up to $500 gift cards. Okay, now if we check out the other option, which is through Visa, it's pretty much the same thing, but there are still some minor differences. They offer $5, $10, and all the way up to $250 gift cards. And you can come on here and claim that and they will send it directly to you. So now you earned yourself some cash, so you can go ahead and spend it on whatever you want, like maybe go out and eat some McDonald's or order yourself the new PS5 or an Xbox, or you can even pay the bills this way. Anyway, let's go back to the task. So what's this amazing website? It's FeaturePoints. You can head over to it at featurepoints.com. Now, unlike other sites that have boring and dull dashboards, this website has a beautiful dashboard and it's very interactive and you can see a lot of colors, and I like colors. But dashboard aside, I would like to tell you guys that this website offers a lot of different ways for you to generate income streams. So watch very closely guys, because I'm going to show you not only different income streams on this site, but I'm going to show you guys the best and fastest ways to earn the highest amount of money so you can go ahead and cash out super quick. Okay, so other than PayPal and Visa, they also offer to pay out in Bitcoin and other different types of stuff like cash. But you don't want these methods. You don't want to risk losing your money on Bitcoin, and you also don't want to leave your home to withdraw your cash, because our goal is to do everything online. So the 2 methods earlier, PayPal and Visa, are the most ideal methods for receiving money on this site. So what you want to do at first is get a quick 500 points right here. Alright, so this is going to be one of the quickest ways to earn money on this website. But the downside is that it's too slow. So we're going to click on this, and this is a quick survey, and we'll just fill it up right now. And once we have finished this survey, you can see that my points on this account have increased over here in the corner. Cool. Alright, so that is the very first way to earn money from this website. That was one of the easiest ways to earn money, and it's basically like the introduction to get you started on this website. You can also see that there are other websites here that are also offering points, which may seem large at first, but take note, okay? You should write this down, okay? Take note that 6,000 points on this website can be cashed out as $5 on PayPal. So 500 points isn't that much because 6,000 divided by 5 is 1,200. So 500 points isn't even worth 50 cents. So this method isn't exactly ideal. So let's try another better method, which is from playing video games. So to do this second method, I'm going to go ahead and click on offers right here on the left, and then I'm going to go to OfferToro. There's much better ways, more rewarding methods on this website. So once you click on OfferToro, there's a tab called Mobile. So if we click on that tab, it will filter out for us the offers for mobile devices. And as you can see, they are offering us points for us to download and play the games listed here. So you just have to download these apps and play with them for a while and you will start racking up points. For the third income stream I will show you on this website, we will utilize cashback. So for example, if I choose to buy anything like a pair of shoes or maybe a new video game, we can just head over to the cashback tab and we can find stores that fit our needs. So those shoes that I wanted to buy, boom, cashback from Adidas. Boom, cashback from GameStop. So you literally get cash back for spending cash. It's just as simple as that. Now let's move on to the highest way to earn money using this website. And this is truly the best way to earn money on this site because not only does it yield a high amount of points, it's all 100% passive income. You can go out and have a vacation with your family and come home to earnings of hundreds of dollars. But before I tell you guys about it, I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and comment down below which method did you like so far. So for the final and highest method of earning money here on futurepoints.com, we have referring friends. So you can earn so much money from this because if you have 100 friends or 100 people, and by the way, I'm going to show you how to get people on the internet to sign up through your link. So if you have 100 people each earning $100 a day, so you're going to earn $50 a day for each of those 100 people. So now you might be wondering, how do I get these 100 people to sign up using my link? So first you want to go ahead and copy your link. I'm going to take this link and I'm going to go to a specific group on Facebook. Now this group is called Make Money Online Club, one of the best groups out there. 99% of groups out there do not want you to post your links because they don't want you to win. They don't want you to get referrals. But this group right here, they don't care. They just said, you know what? You want to post your links? Go ahead. So you can go ahead and make a post like, I can help you earn $100 per day. No investment, easy work. Comment your country if interested. And what you want to do after that is when people start to comment on your post, you want to send a direct message to each of them individually and tell them, hey, here's the method. Just click on this link and log in to get started. And then send them your referral link. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.